more than a pedal. That's a good one.
Oh yeah? Another I thought this was here yesterday.
That was this morning.
Really?
Yeah, I got footage of it.
Awesome. Yeah, the waters are pretty rough. There's the jet ski right there. Another one right there. We got the trusted, beautiful sea view. We got some kayaking. Hey Tino. Good, and you?
Good.
How do you think the conditions are today for the jet skiing?
Looks crappy to me.
A little choppy. I gotta take it out at 12. I gotta take some kids for a ride.
Oh yeah?
I'll be in control of it, so I know it'll be okay. It is a little windy, but.
The turtles are taking over your space.
They really are taking over my space, but that's okay. I got room to spare. There's plenty of sand. But hey, really at all spots, isn't this funny?
Yeah, I know. Out of all spots, right there.
It's done
right
that in previous years, man. Like right in front of like an umbrella set or right in front of a jet ski. It's been like that throughout the years. But hey, it's their territory. I'm just
I know. You're just hanging out here.
I'm just in their spot right now.
Yeah, you're exactly.
I'm in their way.
Wait, you're turning. This area is turning into a nursery.
Yeah, right. It really is, because that seaweed too helps for the nursery.
Got to change the name to Tino's Turtle Sanctuary.
Yeah, the Turtle Environmental Learning.
Actually, how's the conditions for today and tomorrow? Later on,
well, to be honest with you, the conditions say it was going to be calm today. You go on Magic Seaweed, man. It says one foot. It's that wind, guys. That wind's not letting loose.
I know.
So it's keeping it a little bit, but it's okay. It's good for other stuff. I got surfboards out. Got a couple surf lessons. Got it, girl. Perfect. Paddle. Give it strong paddles now. Jump up. Good together. Good paddle. Now look forward. When you're paddling, catch that wind. Nice deep paddle. Do a push up. Jump up. There you go. Also, see what I said? Any time, you can always grab the rail. Alright, some of these waves make them kind of quick, as you know. Grab that rail. You know what I mean? Ready to go? Yeah. Let's go. Drop that leash on, upside down. Woo! See you guys. We'll be back around 5 o'clock.
Still rough for kayaking a little bit, right?
I think so. I mean, you can always go out there and see about it, but
It's going to beat you up.
I know, it'll
What's up,
beat
man?
you up.
How you doing? Good, you help?
Darn ETT squad. God, I wish the water was calmer. But right now we could just walk around the beach. Let's go walk around the beach.
Hey,
I need a tan.
You know?
I know, I need a tan. I look so white with my bathing suit. I need serious tan.
It doesn't take long down here to change.
Yeah, no, it doesn't. We'll see you later, Tino.
All right, guys, enjoy the morning, all right?
Bye. Alright, ETT squad, we're gonna start our vacation here at Disney Vero Beach, and I can't believe, finally, the first Disney resort finally opens. I'm so excited. The weather is gorgeous right now. And I got my little orange bird drinking my water so I can refresh myself, and we're gonna have some fun.
Let's go to the beach.
Let's go to the beach. Can we see the...
Friendly reminder to wear the mask as you're walking around.
Yeah, I'm drinking my water right now.
Okay.
Okay,
All right,
thank you.
Thank you.
Drinking my water. It is hot right now. It's beautiful right now, but it's still warm. One good thing is when you're out on the beach right now, you don't have to wear a mask. No mask required. And then you got a sign here, health and safety notice. Yep. There's the guys, hello, and you got your markings right here for your safety. You got the guy's face covered on the beach. All right, that mask you see there, not good for our turtles or our environment. If you see that, maybe put some plastic gloves and pick it up and get it away from our oceans. We have to keep our oceans clean and safe. That's the most important. Keep our beaches clean.
And now we have this to contend with. We have the coronavirus and all these masks are now washing up on the beaches.
I mean, these are the turtle nests right here. Can you imagine? Can you imagine if you got these masks around this area and they're walking to the ocean, they're crawling to the ocean, they got tangled up. It's not good. It's not good.
Yeah, he might be a little bit slower, but he's starting to wake up. He was near the bottom, so that can happen. So they moved the soft sand away to begin with, so they can get to that wetter sand that won't collapse as much.
Sandcastles.
Yes, exactly. So this is the start of what we call the body pitting nesting behavior. After this, she would have started digging, but she didn't. She just did the body pit, and for whatever reason, she could have not liked this area. Somebody could have approached her because they're very easily startled in this behavior. My guess is that she just didn't like this area because she moved up the beach and decided to turn around. I think if somebody approached her, she would have just turned right around.
Oh, so you think she stopped here first before she went there?
Yeah, so this is her in call right here, and we can tell because of the way the sand is pushed back. So this is the sand being pushed back this way.
So the trail to the left?
Is her going back out?
So that one I drove on is her in crawl, and she crisscrossed like, yeah. And this is where she started the first nesting behavior, and then she's like, I don't like it. And then she started walking up this way and made a loop-de-loo and walked out back over that.
I'm out.
Yeah. So I feel like if she had been startled by somebody, she would have just went right back to the water and not bothered going all the way up.
What do you think about all these turtle nests? Huh, baby? You ought to look at this. They're just all over the beach, ETT squad. They're everywhere. I mean, they're so... Think of it. They had so much freedom during this whole virus thing. I mean, think of it. Disney was shut down for what, 3 months? So they had all the freedom to lay eggs all over this area. So they must have loved no humans coming around, that's for sure. Like you, right? He's obsessed over these turtles here at Vero Beach. He's so obsessed. Wait till he sees these baby turtles. He's gonna love them. What do you think about the baby turtles? Oh, he would love all those little hatchlings. He would just love it. Oh, wait.
Yeah, he might be a little bit slower, but he's starting to wake up. He was near the bottom, so that can happen.
Alright, baby Yoda, we get to enjoy a gorgeous day on the beach. And look, it looks like Tino has some new duck floats. Interesting. And of course, all the turtles are making their nest around this area. It's so funny. And then we got Tino. Hey Tino, how are you?
Yeah,
hey.
we're not ducking around today.
As you can see, there's a new change. Tino has his mask on.
I got my mask on for now.
He kind of looks like the duck.
Yeah, you got to blend in every once in a while.
I know. So I'm going to ask you a funny question. When you ride the jet ski or the kayaks, do we have to wear a mask?
No, you do not.
Jesus, thank
You are
you,
mask
God.
free when you are in the ocean.
Thank
What better
you.
place to be mask free, honestly?
Oh, now the child is happy.
Yeah. Yeah. Now they all can go out.
Yeah, good.
But you must wear a life jacket.
Okay, that's fine. I'm fine
Always
with
have
that.
a life jacket, at least on the boat with you if you're not wearing it.
Okay, good. As long as I can breathe. And then
But
you
if
got
you
all
go
your
on a duck,
kayaks.
you don't need a life jacket. And these are pretty cool
What do you
ducks.
do with these ducks?
Well, these ducks are cool because they got the grips right here. You got the 2 grips. You can catch the waves, ride the waves in.
Oh,
or you can
nice.
just float and wait for a turtle to come up to you. Grab a drink, kind of lounge on it. Fits about 2 kids or 1 adult.
Actually, Tino, I thought you can't drag these behind the jet ski?
These?
No,
I mean, you
could if
can. You gotta go
wanted
at a
to.
slow speed, you know. I haven't done it honestly yet. I haven't done that, but the ducks, you know, like to go a slow pace, so I don't want to get them on the jet ski. They
That's
just
so
kind of
fun. I
float.
love that. That's new because you
to
didn't have
hang
it
out.
yesterday and last time. I like that.
They're
Fun.
definitely cool, right? They're big. Man.
Makes
That's a big
good
float.
pictures.
If you
Good
put them
IG
together, I
pictures.
might be able to tow you behind the jet ski.
Oh yeah, right. That'll be fun.
Hey, what's up, man? Good, good. How you doing?
Baby Yoda, look.
Baby Yoda.
He's having fun on the beach.
He's cute.
He's cute, right?
He better put some sunscreen on.
I know. No, he doesn't need any sunscreen.
I got some zinc. I don't have a trash can down here, but just
No sunscreen. All right, let's go hang out on the beach.
Wait a minute, is that shark repellent?
Richard.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and he does have suntan lotion. So if you need some,
The suntan lotion and shark. This is shark
yeah,
repellent.
exactly. Yeah, because you'll get super red, right? Lovey already has. He's getting a little sunburn, so you need to put a lot of
Is this
sunblock
shark
on.
repellent?
Yep, that's shark repellent. Every time you're on a kayak here with Tides Water Sports or a jet ski, it is shark repellent. Pretty much everything out there. And it attracts all the other cool dolphins, manatee, and turtles, and all the other cool
yeah.
wildlife stuff.
Actually, now you guys are actually slow down with the seaweed.
We're trying
kinda.
to work on the seaweeds. The Ken's down there now, trying to get some of it put down. You know, the seas are calming down now for the rest of the week, hopefully, throughout the summer. So hopefully get it picked up now and we'll be done with it, you know?
Actually, I can't wait to ride the jet ski. I'm excited to ride the jet ski.
Oh yeah, with this weather, I don't blame you.
can't
Blue
wait.
seas.
With Tino, we'll ride it with Tino.
No, I'll tell you on the duck.
Yeah. Oh yeah, true. Can we do that?
No.
No. Oh no.
You'll
Maybe
be
later in the
around.
afternoon. You never know.
Yeah, okay, I
Anything's
know.
possible.
Actually, I don't see ducks on your price list. How much are ducks?
They're $20 for the whole day.
$20 for the whole day?
Yeah.
Oh,
Not
that's a
bad.
Yeah, so they need to go out and use it the whole day, and
What if you
if they
had,
get tired, they drop it off, come back and grab it later.
What happens if you get into a riptide and and you end up in the Bahamas?
I'll end up in the
The
Bahamas
ducks
if I
actually
rent one
are
of
strong.
those for
The ducks are
sure.
strong swimmers, so.
Oh yeah, these are awesome. Alright, I'm gonna take out my ducky duck. These are new, $20
For the day.
all day for the day. Uh-oh. The only thing I'm scared of is that I'll probably end up in the Bahamas. That's the only thing.
Hopefully not.
Hold on. Hold on, love. Oh, that's a big wave. Oh no, bring me in, bring me in, bring me in. Bring me in, sweetie. Bring me in. Hold on. Bring me in, lovey, bring me in. I don't want to get. Like passing that wave right there. Whoa!